It's your boys A4J just made a new video.
Alright guys, welcome back to Official A4J. Today we have a fun video for you. Maddie has prepared some food and I'm going to try to figure out what it is. So I've heard that if you plug your nose and close your eyes, it's extremely impossible.
Extremely impossible.
To figure out, Maddie's on the floor, to figure out what I'm eating. So we're gonna put this to the test and then see how it goes. Alright, that's good. So we have water and my palate cleansers. Bring it to me. I don't really want to be able to feel it. I want to just see. I just want to purely test this theory to see if I plug my nose, if it makes the taste harder.
I'll give you this one first. Okay. Ready?
Is it?
Plug
yeah.
your nose.
Okay.
Toothpick. Right it.
That was actually really hard to do with that, with the nose plug. But like it was mainly texture. Was it cheese?
Yeah. And
there's more.
yeah, there's something on it.
Like maple syrup?
Yes, I
Oh, so you mixed a bunch of stuff. This is gonna be hard.
Yeah. 3.
What is that? That's gross.
Bite it.
There's no sense of, oh, now I get it. It's like a pepperoni stick. There's seriously no initial taste when I'm plugging my nose. Like salami or pepperoni stick?
What else?
And vinegar or something?
Yes.
No way, really?
Yeah, pepperoni stick and malt vinegar.
Yes, I'm killing this. Boom.
This is the next thing. Like.
That's like lettuce and mustard. That tastes like a sandwich.
Was it good?
Yeah, I didn't mind it.
What do you think it was?
I thought it was lettuce and mustard.
Yeah?
Was it not?
It was spinach, mustard, and a big chunk of uncooked onion. This is the next thing.
Oh, I hate this. Oh, I know. Okay, I know by texture what one of those are. The nose plug, it makes it really hard. It feels gross at first. Marshmallow for sure. And actually, now that I unplug my nose, that's so weird. As soon as I unplug my nose, I taste maple syrup. Or not maple syrup. It's not maple syrup. It's like Aunt Jemima syrup.
Nope.
What was it?
It's maple agave.
What's that?
Agave?
No idea what that is.
Are you kidding?
No. Okay, so I'll give me that.
Okay, this is the next thing.
It's always so nerve-wracking because all I feel is like solid substance.
Yeah, and you have to bite it off. Ready? Open. Bite.
Ew. Okay, I feel like I need to spit this out.
No, eat it.
I know what one of the things are.
What is it?
Licorice. Please don't tell me it's black licorice. What the heck? There's so much in here. Licorice, tomato, and lettuce. Something crunchy.
Licorice.
Yeah.
A piece of a clementine. And a pickle.
Juicy. And a pickle was the crunchy thing.
Baby gherkin.
That was gross.
Bite off.
Ew.
What?
It just feels so weird. I have no idea with my nose plugged. I'm gonna unplug my nose, okay?
Okay.
I don't like that taste. What is that? I've never eaten that in my life. It tastes something that would be in a salad. I don't know, what was it?
It was a strawberry.
Oh. It tastes like something in a fruit
with
salad.
Garlic on it. Like garlic chunks.
Ew.
And probably lots of garlic juice.
That was interesting. Thanks, Maddie. A lot of preparation into the most random things ever. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Official A4J. Just fun, quick video for you. And we'll see you next Monday.
Bow, 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 bow.
Peace.